Here we go with another Shout Out Monday evening, and today's episode is the last day of April 2018, April 30th. So let's get going with this right now. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building their model railroad. And today we're going to do something a little bit different because I've reached some milestones that I never thought that I would be able to get to. So I'm recording this a day ahead of time, but by the time this recording is out there, I'll have over 3.3 million watch time minutes and over 502,000 views. Now that is a lot. 3.3 million watch time minute. That's a lot of minutes for people to be watching my videos, and I want to say thank you very much. Now, even though I've got just a little bit over 6,000 subscribers, 65 something, that only accounts for about 1/3 or less than 1/3 of the people that watch my videos. So if you get right down to it, there's probably about 20,000 people that are watching my videos, and that's a lot of thank yous out there. And I don't know how many times that I could say thank you, but I really appreciate everybody that has been watching my videos, commenting and liking, and even those that are doing the dislikes, especially you three that are doing the dislikes on every one of my Shout Out Monday evenings. It makes me feel good that I know that I am rubbing you the wrong way by doing these shout outs. So thank you for those thumbs down. Also, if this is your first time here or a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed yet and you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ding that bell, and that'll notify you whenever I have a new video coming out. And speaking of videos, go ahead and check out my playlist where you could find anything you need to know about model railroading and about electronics. So check that out. Click on my playlist page. I have over 40 playlists there for you to view. So go ahead and check that out. I know you've been doing it because of what this video is about right here. So thank you very much again. Thank you. But anyway, what I wanted to do also in this video here is to announce that I'm going to be doing a little bit of changes on the channel. Now, I'm not going to stop model railroading, and I'm not going to stop Arduino. I'm not going to stop any of that. I'm just going to scale back how many times that I am producing a video a week. Now, for over a year, it was, I think, March 24th that I came out of the pause. At the beginning of March, I was having some health issues, and it was the medication that I was on was really screwing up my train of thought, pun intended there. But anyway, I got off that medicine, saw a neurologist. He said, everything's okay. You're not as bad as we thought it was. There's nothing in that head of yours. So, you know, that confirmed everything for me. So I went back, and on March 24th, got back into doing videos, but I was doing 3 videos a week, 4 videos, 5 videos. Some weeks I did 6 videos a week. That didn't last very long, but anyway, you get the idea that I was at least doing 3 videos a week, all until right after Hurricane Irma. I got sick again. I wasn't even on a computer for I think 16 days. I never even turned on my computer, but after that I got back into it. But anyway, I've been doing 3 videos a week. Been doing a lot of stuff on YouTube. I was a rising star on Creator Community until they closed that down in February. A lot of us creators were helping other creators with their issues on YouTube, and ever since then there hasn't been anything to replace it. And YouTube has attempted to put these creators that we're helping out in other areas, but it's just not going anywhere. It's not going, well, it's not going anywhere fast anyway. They keep saying that they're going to do this, and it's not going anywhere. I've also been a trusted tester for over a year, so I've seen a lot of things on YouTube that you haven't seen yet, and some of the things that are coming out on the studio beta I saw a long time ago. And I've got to talk to some of the engineers that have been working on some of the features in the new studio beta. I've done some other surveys on YouTube and a lot of other things behind the scenes that you know, that I can't really talk about, but I can't tell you what YouTube's working on. But there's a lot of things going to happen on YouTube. It's going to be a lot better than it was, even though it looks like, you know, that things are falling apart and everything. But anyway, I am changing direction here. I'm going to slow down. I'm not going to do the 3 videos a week anymore. Now, I'll still be doing videos, at least 2 a week, maybe sometimes 1 a week. It depends. Now, I'm going, at the beginning of the year, I said that I was going to be working on a few other things, and that'll give me more time to work on that. It'll give me more time to work on my model railroad, and it'll give me more time to work on these Arduino things. In fact, this is part of this Saturday's video, and that's going to be a 2-episode video because it is really complicated, and I'm trying to keep things different. But you can see here that this is going to be a flashing gate. Now, normally, whenever you would take your finger off of here, it would go off right away, but I have it set so it'll stay on. They'll stay on a little bit longer, and this is more or less like a sensor on one end of the track and then going over to the other to keep it on, and then as the train goes, it finally shuts off. So that's what I'm working on, and that takes a lot of hours to figure out. Now I did get some code from some of George Bunza's sketches and modified it so it would work on here, and I'm really proud of what I did on here. I figured it out. You know, I didn't think I'd be able to figure it out, but I did, and you know, I was up till midnight, past midnight last night doing this, and a lot of this stuff, it's taken a lot of time out of what I would really like to be doing. So I'm still going to be doing this stuff on YouTube. It's just that I'm going to be spending more time on doing the things that I like here, like working on my model railroad, which I haven't done in hardly ever a year. When I did those background buildings, that was the first thing I'd done on there since I pulled down the backdrops. And that was some time ago. But anyway, I'm going to get back to that. I got a lot of other things that I worked on. I only went halfway. I've been having issues with my back and I couldn't get underneath there. So I have some things that I did one video on, and I said I was going to continue on it. And it was with the hair controller for the Tour to Switch machine. I'm going to be doing that. That'll be coming up pretty soon. And we're going to be working on some lighting. I think I mentioned that in another video. But anyway, I am refocusing what I'm doing. I'm not going to stop anything. I'm just going to rearrange how I am doing it and focus a little bit more time on what I would like to do and less time on creating videos. The videos will still be there. I'm just going to spend less time on them. Now, I've been able to do that. It takes me less time to create a video now than it has like a year ago or almost 2 years ago when I started, but I'm still spending a lot of time on it because even though the production of the video doesn't take that long, everything that comes up on the screen and the research that goes into it is what takes a lot of time, and I'm going to just to scale back on that just a little bit. But anyway, I want to thank everybody that's been watching. 3 million plus watch time minutes, and to think of it, in the last, I think, 5 months, I think since December, half of that has come between December and right now. So I mean, this channel has really grown in the last 5 months, 6 months. It started about 6 months ago. It started rising up, and it skyrocketed. And it's tapering off right now, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to taper off on what I do, and I would like to thank everybody for watching my videos, for taking the time out of their life to watch the videos, to ask questions, to give me more content in the Q&A, which I still have a lot of Q&As to do. I mean, not only from the comments on the videos, but I get a lot of comments on my email and questions on, you know, helping other people out with their issues on their model railroad and in the sketches that I do on the Arduino. So thank you very much. I'm just changing the schedule up a little bit and refocusing on what I'm going to do. I said I was going to do some stuff at the beginning of the year, and I'm going to concentrate on some of those things right now. So don't forget, I got the Arduino coming up, and this one right here is going to be a two-parter, because first of all, I'm just going to show you the sensors in the first part of it, and then I'll get into the more difficult part of how we flash these with code with the sensors. But anyway, that's what's coming up on Saturday. It's going to be a two-part, so it's going to take two Saturdays to show this one right here, and so we'll see. And thank you.